What's up, guys? Yay! It's Misako Rocks. Today's theme, super kawaii, a girl with double hair buns looking slightly, okay, quarter angle and a wink. Wink, I can't do it. But it's gonna be easy. Don't worry, I gotcha. So get your pencil and a paper and let's start. Alright, so let's start drawing guideline first. Okay, quarter angle. This actually cross guideline is going to be a little key here. Can you see? Maybe I should draw a little darker. Okay, so first circle and here. So this cross line is not going to be in the middle, like leaning here, toward left side. Okay, and the neck, maybe it's going to be around here. Don't worry about it that much. And we are going to start drawing her eyes and lips, pretty much facial features now. I'm going to switch to brush pen. Okay, so from this side, it's going to look wider and bigger compared to this side, right? Okay, then let's give a nice big eye this side. Ne? Oh, I mixed with the Japanese. Let's give a little wide, kawaii, little hook, eyes like that. Don't forget adding a few eyelashes. I want to add maybe a few more eyelid line like this. Okay. Then we're gonna draw her actual eye. And now let's give just a tiny, simple line like this. Don't forget adding 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. All right, and we're gonna add shiny circle. I'm just singing, I guess. In the bottom, and then let's give a nice black circle, and then maybe little tiny a few bubbles on the top. And then we're gonna add eye color. I'm gonna use pencil for that later. Okay, but let's finish her right eye. This is going to be wink. And I can't wink, but I can draw wink eye. Okay, that's kind of lame what I said, so forget. Okay, like this. Oh, don't forget adding a few more eyelid line like that. Now her nose is not gonna be in the middle. It's gonna be close to her right eye. And I guess guideline, close line, I'm sorry, I think I made a slightly mistake. I should just draw this one more left side, because that's going to be easier for you to see. But what I meant is her nose is here. See, much left. And then give a nice smile. Like this. Oh, this brush pen acting funny. Go like that. Whoop. Oh, looks like she's eating something. Now we're gonna draw her face line. Okay, so start from left, and then let's give a little cheek. Okay, I'm gonna do like this. Here we go. And her cheek is gonna be right there, right? And the rest of our face line goes all the way like this. And don't forget adding one ear. Only this side we're gonna show. Okay, go like that. Oh, like I said, I'm gonna add her eye color with pencil. So here, like this. And I want to add just a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is around this black circle, I'm gonna add tiny little spike. I don't know why I said that way, but tiny little spikes surrounding this black circle like this. Okay, and now I want to add a little more cheek lines. That's kind of cute. And then let's start giving her bangs and double buns. Super duper kawaii hairstyle. All right, so I like to start from maybe this side. Start with a little flowy, little heavy bangs. Go like this. 1, 2, 3, right? Layers like that. And then let's have a little space. Okay, but covering her eyelid a little bit. That's totally fine. And then let's do more. And I think I can fill maybe 2 or 3 more, don't you think? Right? Oh, okay, 2. I got the 2, 3. Kind of a 3. Go like this. Now look at your drawing, and what do you think of her head shape? If you use this guideline, okay, this head shape, right, as her, I guess round head shape. What am I trying to say? Yeah, it's a little too flat, too small. So I want to make sure her head shape is going to be round, fluffy. You know, those are important for manga hair. So I have to make sure that. Go like this. So if your guideline, what I'm trying to say, yes, this. If your guideline is a little small, make sure her head shape, round head shape, it's gonna be a little bigger than that. So you're gonna draw her nice round head shape outside of your guideline, okay, like I did, okay? And from a center, middle, let's give a nice hairline like this. Oh, don't forget adding a little side short hair. Those are always important, like this. And her first bun, this side, just roughly. And the other side, you don't need to show all the way. Go like this. Okay, now you're gonna start drawing inside. So from the bottom, let's go like this from here to top, and change the angle, and maybe change the little, little thickness. Go like this. Make it a little messy. Those are always cute. And don't forget adding a little bit of more side lines coming out like this. And other side too. Here we go. Because if your hair bun, right, perfectly just circle, fit it in there, it doesn't look that realistic. So make it a little bit messy. Okay, that's the key. And I want adding a little bit of more hair like this. Then neckline, so her neck, front neck, starting right underneath this chin. And the back one, it's not going to be all the way to the side, but you don't want to give her not too small neck, right? It's just a little wide enough. Now let's give her just a casual t-shirt for this today. Go like this. All right, so now let's start erasing guidelines, and we're gonna add some hairlines, okay? Hey, if you like this lesson, why don't you check out my online school, Learn Manga with Misako, where I teach live kawaii manga lessons weekly. You have access to a private online community where you can post your drawing and I give you direct feedback. Also, I share behind the scenes of my bookmaking. All the details in the description below. Check it out. Right. Here we go. Okay, so now we are going to start giving her hair color. So I'm gonna give her really, again, shiny spot. 1, maybe 2, 3 stretched jelly beans, right? And from the bottom part, you're gonna start giving her hair color. I'm using a pencil, okay? Like this. And then once you reach this jelly beans, this shiny spot, relax your wrist and start creating a feathery soft texture in the middle, okay? And then from the top, color, color, color. Like this, other side too. And if you wanna make it more soft and fuzzy, just smudge it. Go like this. You got it? Okay, so now we're gonna start coloring everything. Here we go. Alright, great job, guys. Alright, now we're gonna write your name, and we're gonna write it down. Maybe she's saying what's up in Japanese. You know what's up in Japanese? Maybe some of you know. We say genki. Isn't it easy, right? Genki. So she's asking what's up in Japanese. So I'm gonna write it down here and write down my name. Whoops, sorry, it's kind of dirty right there. Alright, here we go. If you want to write it down, yes, just follow me, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this means gem. Next is ki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means ki. Let's give a little genki. So hyphen and question mark. Okay, genki. Alright, and I'm gonna write down your name. If you want, add today's date too. So you're gonna see, how much you're gonna improve every day. Okay, so I always recommend, write your name and the dates too. That would be great. Okay, so how was it? I hope you enjoyed. Well, today's kids definitely, I guess this wink, this angle, and face angle and double hair buns, right? This double hair buns hairstyle is really classic and useful and super kawaii. I'm pretty sure you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe Misako Rocks channel, and don't forget to check out my graphic novel Bounce Back. It's available at Amazon and any bookstores. I can't wait to hear what you think of Lady Goat's story. Thank you guys. Arigato. See you soon.